In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find limited time offer in Uniqlo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the Uniqlo site so you don't miss time-sensitive deals and how to preview styling ideas before you buy. Start by opening the Uniqlo website in your browser. If you're redirected, that's normal. Uniqlo will load the site for your country or region, so prices and availability are correct. If you see a prompt to confirm your location, go ahead and accept it, so the offers you're about to view match your local store. Next, use the main navigation at the top of the page and click on Men. This gives you a feel for how Uniqlo organizes categories, and it's helpful because limited offers often appear across departments. You'll notice the layout stays consistent as you switch sections. Now click on Kids and then click on Baby. Browsing through these departments is a quick way to confirm you're in the right place and to see where limited offers surface in each category. You may spot price badges or banners that hint at active promotions. Move over to Women. The exact placement of menus can vary slightly by region, but you should see the same top navigation with departments listed side by side. What we're really aiming for is the limited offers area, which sits in or near the main menu and sometimes appears as a prominent banner on the homepage. Click on Limited Offers. This opens a dedicated hub that collects all current markdowns running for a short window. You might see the label written as Limited Offers or Limited Time Offer depending on your locale. Either way, this is the page you want. Here, deals usually refresh on a scheduled cadence, so it's worth checking regularly. Inside the Limited Offers page, look for the event-dated Limited Offer from 01 May 26, 07 May 20p6, and click it. That takes you straight to the items covered by that week's promotion. Use on-page filters like size, color, and category to narrow things down quickly. Keep an eye on the price tag. You should see a limited offer note and the discounted price alongside the original. When you open a product from this list, click on Official Styling. This section shows curated outfit ideas so you can see how the piece looks in real-life combinations and which complementary items are also on offer. It's a great way to check proportions, color pairings, and fabric drape before you commit. That's it. You've reached the limited offers, found the active weekly event, and explored official styling for confident choices. Check back each week, since these promotions rotate and popular sizes can sell out fast. Happy shopping!